Let's look at the third part of Chapter 8, French for Reading. We're going to focus on a special verb called falloir, and it's a defective. That means it doesn't exist in all forms. It only exists in a few forms, specifically the infinitive and the third person singular of several tenses. And in the present tense, it's conjugated il faut. Falloir is the infinitive. Il faut is the expression. And the infinitive is basically to be necessary. It's an impersonal verb, so when it's conjugated il faut, it can be translated as it is necessary, one must, one needs, you need, we need. We have to look at the context to figure out what is going to fit best. But it's a verb indicating the necessity of something. For example, il faut acheter un livre. So we can translate that as it's necessary to buy, acheter un livre, a book. Il faut $5 pour acheter ce livre. So literally it says it is necessary $5 to buy this book. We could smooth that out to you need $5 to buy this book. Il faut $5, you need $5. In the passé composé, fallu is the past participle, and it's conjugated with avoir. Il a fallu. Il a fallu aller aux toilettes. And that might be, we might translate that as we needed to go to the restroom. Now it's interesting that toilette is the polite word in French for the restroom. It's not like the word toilet, which is kind of like a crass word in English, but toilette is a polite word. Now, il faut can also be made negative, il ne faut pas, and that means one must not or you must not. It doesn't mean it's not necessary, it means you must not do this. Il ne faut pas oublier votre vocabulaire. You must not forget your vocabulary. Il ne faut pas acheter ce livre. One must not buy this book, or you shouldn't buy this book. So it's with the ne pas, it's telling you what you must not do. All right, let's work on this short exercise. Write down your answers, and when you've written them down, go on to the next video.